Hi everyone, welcome to Friday, October the 9th, dictation. Now, for weeks 1 to 5 of this term, we are going to do 3 sentences on a Friday. The sentences will actually be taken from Monday to Thursday's dictation. So you get another chance to do it again and see how you go. If you've got it right the first time, let's see if you can get it right the second time. So this is about your practice. From weeks 6 to 10, dictation on a Friday will change, but I will tell you about that when you're at school. Okay? So for now, we're going to do 3 sentences that you have already had during the week. If you can see those sentences, that's okay, because it's your work, so you're still not cheating, it's your work. If you had got some of those words wrong, now is the time to make them right. Okay? So this is Daffy Duck. Probably don't know Daffy Duck, you guys, but he's a cartoon character and I really like him. And he says, clear your mind of the word can't or cannot. You can't do it yet. You cannot do it yet. So there's actually no such word as can't sometimes when I think about it. All right, so we'll leave Daffy there and you start concentrating on your dictation. Remember, you need to write the word dictation and the date. First sentence, I must make my bed every day. I must make my bed every day. First 2 words, I must, make my bed every day. I must make my bed every day. Second sentence, I gave my mum a hug. I gave my mum a hug. If you got it right last time, let's see if you can do it again. If you did not get it right last time, let's see if you can improve. I gave my mum a hug. I gave my mum a hug. Last sentence. It is sunny today. It is sunny today. Take the first 2 words. It is. Sunny today. It is sunny today. I will read all 3 sentences again for the last time, so make sure that you are correcting as we go. First sentence, I must make my bed every day. Second sentence, I gave my mum a hug. Third sentence, it is sunny today. When you're happy, you know what to do. Well done, we have made it through our first week of term 4, but hopefully also our last week of remote teaching and learning. So all goes well, we will see each other next week. Thank you, everyone.